ready to unlock a new level of efficiency and connectivity for your business. Today, we're diving into how to integrate Aisensy with other platforms, supercharging your workflow. First, logged into your Aisensy account, navigate to the Integrations section. Usually found in the Settings or Admin panel, look for the icon that looks like connected gears. Now, browse the available integration options. Aisensy seamlessly connects with popular platforms like Zapier, Google Sheets, CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce, and many more. Choose the platform you want to integrate with. Let's use Zapier as an example. Click on the Zapier icon. You'll typically see instructions on how to connect your Aisensy account to Zapier. This often involves copying an API key or using authentication. Follow the instructions carefully. You might need to generate an API key within your Aisensy account and paste it into Zapier, or authorize Zapier's access to your Aisensy data. In Zapier, you'll define triggers and actions. A trigger is an event in Aisensy that starts a workflow. Like a new message received. An action is what happens in the other platform, like adding the contact to your CRM. Once connected, test the integration to ensure data flows correctly. Send a test message through Aisensy and verify that the corresponding action occurs in your connected platform. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Aisensy. By connecting Aisensy with your other business tools, you'll automate tasks, improve data flow, and boost overall efficiency. Don't forget to explore other integration options and unlock even more potential.